This short video will look at the SalesPro feature found in WilloWare's GP Power Pack for Microsoft Dynamics GP. SalesPro adds a sophisticated item lookup to sales transaction entry, which dramatically improves a user's ability to service a customer, respond quickly to customer inquiries, and to suggest additional items. Some highlights to SalesPro include performing a wildcard search to locate items quickly, view a list of items previously purchased by the customer, locate available inventory in multiple sites, see sales analysis for items such as min, max, and average quantity purchased, and min-max price paid on historical invoices. As well, you can view other items previously bought along with the selected item. Let's take a look at the window. From Sales Transaction Entry, click the Lookup button for the item number to open SalesPro. You can also press Ctrl-L. If we put the first few characters of an item number, such as fax, into the item number field before opening SalesPro, the SalesPro item list will be positioned to fax in the list of items. The SalesPro window shows a large amount of information about a customer's order history and order patterns. By default, the main lookup window displays customer history. This is a list of all items previously purchased by this customer and is not restricted by site or customer address. The first line in the customer history view shows the item number, the quantity available at the site that is highlighted in the top right hand corner of the window, the minimum ordered by this customer, the maximum ordered by this customer, the average order of all invoices, the minimum price paid by the customer, and the maximum price paid by the customer. If we expand the scrolling window, we will see additional information. This information includes quantity on order on a purchase order for the site ID in the top right hand corner of the window, the quantity currently on hand, how much is allocated, the quantity on back order for sales orders, how many times this item has been purchased by this customer, their first order date, and then the most recent order. Clicking on an item in this window will cause the lower windows to redisplay. In this case, when I click on this item, the bottom left-hand window is the inventory availability window. The default view for this window is to show only sites that have quantity available greater than 0. The Show drop-down box can change this display. We can either choose all sites, regardless of the quantity available or quantity on hand, or we could choose to view only sites that have a quantity on hand. The total line will always appear at the top, and this is a summary of all sites assigned to that item. The lower right-hand window shows the invoice history and the co-purchased items. The default view shows all invoices containing the selected item. The list sorts by ship date. The Show drop-down window allows us to change the view from invoices with selected item to items bought with the selected item. In this case, this item is usually purchased or has been purchased with the fax number that we selected on previous invoices. In the top half of the window, we have a radio button to change the view. By default, the customer history is selected, but if we choose the All Items radio option, then the main window changes to be more like the regular item lookup, where it isn't restricted by the customer, but rather displays all items in the inventory database. As well, the item number field allows you to narrow down the scrolling window to certain selected items. If we enter a T in here, it will jump to the first item beginning with the letter T. Now, if we wish to perform a wildcard search, this allows us to search the entire database for items containing a phrase. So in our case, we will look for all items containing the word fax. So to do that, let's start with a question mark, and that's going to tell the system that we're doing a wildcard search, and then we will enter fax. So here we have all items where fax is either the item number, or in this case, fax is part of the description. This window also contains a Go To button, and this Go To lists all possible windows relating to the item or the customer that we can access from the system. Once we've selected the item we wish to add to sales transaction entry, we can simply double-click it or choose the Select button. And that adds the item to sales transaction entry. For more information about this or any of our other products, please visit us at willowware.com or email sales@willowware.com.